multi-nutrition, ibig sabihin ng bawat pamilyang Pilipino ay may kakayahang magka-access sa masusustansyang pagkain. Regarding the application of the biotechnology, we have produced crops na kung saan mas resistant sa mga peste. At the same time, nagkaroon na rin tayo ng efforts to produce biofortified crops. Mas nagkakaroon tayo ng food security dahil yung food chain natin hindi na di-disrupt.
So the Philippines is one of the pioneers in adoption of biotechnology products. It is the first in Southeast Asia to commercially propagate BT maize, which is a product of biotechnology. Recently, our Court of Appeals released a TRO against commercial propagation of BT eggplant and golden rice, which was previously approved for commercial use.
Pushback, I think it's a global issue naman. It's not just a Philippine issue. Legal battle has been confronting the adoption of modern biotechnology across the world. Kailangan natin ma-emphasize na biotechnology is not something to be afraid of. It is not a silver bullet. I think important din na masabi natin na yung biotech hindi sagot sa lahat ng problema natin. But it's one of the solutions na pwede nating ihapag together with other technologies.